Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the IMAGIC M3 wet-dry vacuum cleaner, a unique 2-in-1 device that combines the functions of both a vacuum and a mop. If you've ever found yourself juggling between two separate appliances to clean your hard floors, you might be intrigued by how this one promises to do it all in one step. Let's dive into its features and see if it really delivers. The IMAGIC M3 is built to handle both dry messes and wet spills with ease, making it perfect for homes with hard floors, whether they're hardwood, tile, marble, or laminate. It combines vacuuming and mopping in one seamless process, and it doesn't stop there. The wet-dry functionality is enhanced by a dual-tank design, ensuring that you're always cleaning with fresh water. No cross-contamination between dirty and clean water. This is a big deal if you're someone who values streak-free, sanitary floors. One standout feature is its 160-degree Fair hot air drying system. This self-cleaning mechanism kicks in after each use, drying both the brush roller and the tubes. This prevents odors and buildup, ensuring that the vacuum remains fresh after every cleaning session. It also has a deep cleaning mode that guarantees a thorough, dry, and fresh mop each time. While cleaning, the IMAGIC M3's brush roller is designed to tackle edges and corners, which is often a tricky spot for many vacuums. The edge cleaning function is a small but significant touch, making this a highly practical option for anyone dealing with dust and debris along baseboards. The IMAGIC M3 is also cordless, offering a truly free-moving experience without being tethered to an outlet. It's lightweight, self-propelled, and designed to make cleaning less of a chore, even on stairs or tight spaces. One of the features that stands out is its 2.5-hour fast charging time, which gets you 35 minutes of cleaning, enough to cover a reasonable area in most homes. The integrated LED screen and voice prompts add to the user-friendly design, guiding you through the cleaning process and making it easier than ever to operate. Real-world use of this vacuum reveals that it excels in several practical scenarios. On hard floors, whether you're cleaning fine dust or sticky spills, the suction is consistent and reliable. The wet cleaning mode leaves floors dry and streak-free in minutes, with a water recovery rate of over 92%, which is impressive. For those with pets or kids who are constantly leaving messes behind, this dual-purpose cleaner is a game-changer. When tested on sticky messes, it lifted them up quickly without leaving any residue, and the fast-drying feature kept floors from staying damp for too long. Where it truly shines is in its ease of use. The self-propelled feature makes it easy to glide across floors, and even on stairs, it's surprisingly nimble. The lightweight build means you won't strain your wrists or shoulders during longer cleaning sessions. However, there are a couple of things to note. While it's excellent for cleaning hard floors, it doesn't have the same power as a traditional vacuum when it comes to high-pile carpets. Also, the 35-minute runtime, while sufficient for many users, might be a limitation for larger homes or bigger cleaning tasks. Some users might also find the 2.5-hour charging time a bit long if they're looking for quick back-to-back cleaning sessions. One of the biggest strengths of the IMAGIC M3 is how it addresses edge cleaning. The dedicated brush roller that focuses on baseboards and corners is incredibly useful, especially if you're the type of person who wants a thorough clean in every nook and cranny. It's a feature often overlooked in many standard mops and vacuums, but here it's incorporated thoughtfully. In terms of maintenance, the IMAGIC M3 does well to keep things simple. The self-cleaning mode is an excellent addition, as it means you don't have to spend much time manually cleaning the brush roller. The dual-tank system is easy to empty and refill, though you may need to clean the water tanks occasionally to avoid any buildup. The hot air drying feature ensures that the vacuum remains fresh, but it's worth noting that the hot air drying can take a few minutes, so it's not immediate after every use. As for value for money, it's clear that the IMAGIC M3 offers a lot of features for the price. In terms of performance, it covers a wide range of tasks that most people expect from their vacuums, including wet and dry cleaning, edge cleaning, and quick drying. The 2-in-1 functionality makes it an appealing choice for those with hard floors who want to save space and time by combining two tasks into one. However, if you're someone with heavy-duty carpet cleaning needs or a larger home that requires longer cleaning sessions without needing to recharge, this vacuum may not be the best fit. But for smaller homes or apartments, or for anyone who needs a versatile, easy-to-use machine for everyday messes, it's a solid option. Comparing the IMAGIC M3 to similar products in its category, it holds up well, especially when considering its 160°F hot air drying and the fresh water dual tank system. If you're looking for something comparable, options like the Black Decker Cordless wet-dry vacuum mop might catch your eye, but it lacks some of the advanced drying technology and edge cleaning features of the IMAGIC M3. For those who don't mind a larger footprint but need longer runtime, alternatives like the Tinico Floor 1 S3 might offer more suction power for deep cleaning, but with a heavier design and shorter charging time. When it comes to build quality, the IMAGIC M3 feels solid. The materials used feel premium enough to last over time, though it's still important to handle it with care, especially the brush roll. The charging dock is sleek and functional, providing a nice place to store the vacuum when not in use. Given its self-cleaning design, you won't have to worry too much about constant maintenance, but cleaning the roller and water tank periodically is still recommended to maintain its peak performance. In terms of customer support, IMAGIC offers good customer service through its warranty and troubleshooting assistance. They're generally responsive, which adds to the confidence in buying this product, knowing that help is available if issues arise. To wrap it all up, the IMAGIC M3 wet-dry vacuum cleaner offers solid performance for those with hard floors. Its versatility in wet and dry cleaning, along with the edge cleaning feature, makes it a standout in its category. It's best suited for smaller homes or apartments, especially for users looking for a simple and effective solution to everyday cleaning. Its value is competitive, particularly considering its design and the self-cleaning features. However, if you have larger homes, high-pile carpets, or need more than 35 minutes of cleaning time, you might want to look for an alternative with longer battery life or more powerful suction. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed insights on the latest home tech. Have you used the IMAGIC M3 or a similar vacuum before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and share your cleaning experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more honest reviews inside TV.